Hi, my name is Jeremy Dominguez, and I just want to say thank you to Coach Castle for giving me such amazing advice and help with losing weight and practicing dieting skills. Because of him, I've been able to progress further with my weight loss and live a better and healthier lifestyle.
Used to run down this road with my heart on fire. Now I'm sitting right here by the side, like a bird on the wire. See my dream passing by, and I realize the day that I quit is the day I expire. I gotta keep moving on, gotta keep moving on. I'm shaking the dust from my bones. All I gotta do is walk. I'm fighting and I'm bleeding. I don't give up, I walk. My hope, my love, my reason, they guide me as I walk. Like cannibal over the mountains, I gotta keep moving. I won't stop, keep on walking, won't stop, keep on coming. Ain't no knocking me over, I keep bouncing back. Now I'm done with the noise in my head, yeah, I follow my track. A battle for gold, and a dream in my soul. In times when I fail, I shake off the pain. I gotta keep moving on, gotta keep moving on.